Aceh, Sumatra indigenous people. Aceh, Sumatra indigenous people.
Thank you, Madam Chair. My name is Tunku Azizul Nazir Natiro, representing the indigenous people of Aceh, Sumatra. I came before this distinguished meeting in good faith and with respect. When I return, I hope to Aceh, I hope that we will not face intimidation or reprisal for peacefully engaging with United Nations. Today, our people continue to face serious restriction on our ability to organize, gather and advocate for our collective right in Aceh. When in this community assemble peacefully to defend our right, Indonesian security force of then deploy to disperse our gathering, and some cases members of our community have been subject to physical violence without justification. At the same time, our resources are being exploited like in Butong Atuh, Bangkalang, and enter place to expanding activity that threaten our land and environment. We raised this concern day, label us as provocateur, instead of being heard as indigenous people defending our right. Therefore, we respectfully call to the MRIP to restrain their cooperation with the indigenous people of Aceh, Sumatra. We call to closely to monitor our situation in Gateway community and ensure that our right protected according to law. We hope that the work of the United Nations Indigenous Rights Mechanism for 2026 and 2027 will include meaningful engagement with indigenous people of Aceh, Sumatra, and provide a stronger support so we can exercise our right freely, safely, and without fear. Thank you.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you very much. I give the floor to
Red Internacional de Derechos Humanos Europa.